Hello, everyone. My name is Angela with bekindyouredivine, and welcome to this week's breathing break. I am on a nature walk in the community and found these fun sunglasses, so I'm rocking the little butterfly shades. So I would like to invite you today. I'm really feeling connected to nature lately. I've been taking a walk every day and listening to my body more and moving. So it's been really good for me. And I hope that you too have a space where you can be out in nature. Even if you're in a city, just looking out your window, or if you have no trees around, maybe getting a small plant, like an indoor plant, to help you connect with nature. So I'm inviting you to come along with me on my nature walk today. So let's start, before we begin walking, with a few deep cleansing breaths. So we'll inhale through our nose and exhale through our mouth, sighing out, okay? All right, let's go. Let's do it 3 times. Breathe in. And just slowing your breath down and noticing if there's any tension in your body, any tension in your face, in your shoulders, in your arms, your legs, maybe stretching a little bit, whatever feels good for you. And we are going to take a short walk here along a riverbank. So let's get started. And just as we walk along, remembering to notice your breath. Keep your breath calm, relaxed. Welcoming in some church bells. And just slowing your breath down. Really today it's being connected to your breath and being connected to something in nature. That is my invitation to you. Thanking yourself for taking a few minutes today for this solitude, this nature. Taking a few minutes for you to relax and be in peace and harmony with yourself, with everything around you. We are all connected. We are all here to be at peace with one another. Once again, take a deep breath in and exhale. And just begin to come back to your space, come back to your body, and be aware of your surroundings. Be grateful for your surroundings. And I am grateful for you. I'm grateful for you taking time for yourself and being at peace in your body, in your mind, your heart. So thank you, thank you, thank you from the bottom of my heart to yours. I send you off with so much love and peace from my heart to yours once again. And I will see you next week for our next breathing break. So I hope you have a wonderful week and enjoying this new full moon energy in Aries. So just kind of working your way through that full moon and the passion that Aries brings and the drive. And I look forward to seeing you again next week. Thank you so much. Ciao for now.